Today is a crappy fall day and it's almost raining. But I have some batteries charged from a training session earlier this week, and I'm gonna try to drain them in the best possible way. Just built myself a pirate frame, the one that Finky flies, the hook toilet tank style, and so I will try to break that in. I'm not that good at packing all my gear, so I just carry this stuff, and it's not the best way, but so I arrived at this office area. I don't know, they're closed on Sundays hopefully, so I know there's a park just outside which is really nice, and I'm gonna have a look, see if I can make a few clips, tricks, shots. But look at the tree, the colors are so beautiful. It's really an amazing time of the year, even though it's getting colder and I know winter is approaching. Look at these nice orange trees. So this is where I set up camp, sort of. This is my ride. This is my pirate frame, the hook with a diatone F722, I suppose, with the 50 amp ESCs. I'm running the Sing 2207s with is that 1800 kV? Yeah, 1800 kV. And I just printed this mount to be able to support the GoPro, and at the moment I'm running a 5S just to warm up, and that's 1300 milliamp hours, and I'm using Crossfire. I'm running the new RunCam Eagle 3, that is, yeah, it's correct. And I've not yet switched to digital, so I'm running an analog system with an Axie antenna there. And these are Azur's strong fast props, the gray ones. So I'll be setting this up, and let's rip. pack. The battery was sagging really hard, and 5S just couldn't cut it, so I switched to 6S now, and just took a warm-up. My buddy Matthias was stuck at home printing, making a new video. I'm looking forward to that, Matthias. You have to deliver on this one now. So I'm just gonna take a look at this, because there's a okay, so I found it. There's even a sign that refers to this as a fish stair. Suppose it's fun for the fish to climb stairs, so that's why. It's for öring, that one. Nice fish. So with the new battery in place, I will try to hit that gap. See ya. Yeah, that didn't go too well. The camera just mid-air decided to give up on me. So my the new Eagle 3 is not the best, but what can you do? You can always switch back. So I'll swap this one for the old one. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up and all that stuff, and I'll be back for more. See ya.